And we got the pink slip, fresh out the year.
The pink slip out the pink dog.
He still got his hat on, his prison hat on.
You stupid nigga.
You know, it's a nice little starter kit for my mans. Nice little, you feel me, starter kit.
Hold up. I gotta strike the prison pose.
Yeah.
Gotta say these though.
Ooh. Man's gonna need some gas money too, man.
Never,
that's racks
bro.
right there. Them big racks.
Nah.
Man, stop playing. Take that fucking money.
Stupid nigga.
We got big money over here. We ain't worried about that. We got, you feel me? I ain't even sweating. They got some nice little rims on there too.
Sure.
I don't really wear this one. You know what I mean? It's better than the one you got on. Diamonds right there, man.
Ain't nobody gonna, how much is this? Ain't nobody gonna, like, is this like a, like, nigga though? Like,
I paid about $30,000 for that right there. That cost more than the car.
Nigga. So this ain't like no, don't wear this like to the grocery store, like.
Yeah, that's wherever you want.
Hell
Motherfucker.
no,
Shit.
For sure, a nigga gonna die for 30,000.
You doing better than a lot of niggas that's been out 10 years. Been down 12.
What? I did that as soon as I stepped out, bro.
Oh, yeah. I want y'all to know that I'm no different from you. I still have tough life decisions that I face with every day. Like, every day when I wake up, I have to get up and walk out and decide which car I want to drive. You feel me? I'm just like y'all, man. I'm no different. Just a little richer.
I lost my nigga to it too. Tears in my eyes, I often try, they don't